Mäster Simons väg 14 Frösunda, Solna, Sweden. Dinner 26 885452. Sixth floor. This building complex, Frösunda vacant 14 to 26, has 7 Kone elevators, and opposite building, Frösunda, not Frösunda vacant, but I mean Mäster Simons väg and Mäster Simons väg 15 and 17 A, B. Have 3 Kone elevators. I don't know if they are also from 1986, but still. Ground floor. And the second Kone elevator I'm filming in Solna, but I try to film third one also. Inspired by Kivan's and maintained by Nakka, his service. These elevators have been very hard to get inside. Sixth floor. 1 hour 15 minutes waiting and just 2 elevators. %, 1000 kilograms. Ground floor. Okay. That's